Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, the 25th of November, 20 to 7 here on this Monday morning. And November is nearly over, and summer is just about to start. Summer starts in 6 days' time. So, this morning on the show, just to get you prepared for the summer series, which starts next Sunday. We've got a lot to talk about. Well, I've got a lot to tell you, and summer is my favorite time of the year, guys, but there are a lot of dangers during the summer season, like sunburns, drownings, drownings in backyard pools, barbecue accidents. Summer can be fun, guys, but it can be really dangerous. Well, the first topic on the short show today is a barbecue. Now, if you're planning a Christmas barbecue, guys, make sure that your barbecue is in good nick. Make sure that your gas bottles are in good nick. Make sure that you've got enough gas in your gas bottle, and make sure that your barbecue is clean before you use it and clean it well afterwards. Make sure that you have a good barbecue and check the warranty. Make sure the warranty hasn't expired on the barbecue. And if you've got a leaking gas bottle and you're trying to cook something on the barbecue, guys, you know what will happen? Bang! Your barbecue can explode, and the barbecue is over before it even begins. So always have a good barbecue and a gas bottle. And if you're purchasing a new barbecue for the summer months, guys, make sure that you ask the store attendant which is a suitable barbecue for you, and make sure that you ask the store attendant for a barbecue on wheels. So before you even buy the barbecue, pop into your nearest store, like there is a barbecue galore at Brookvale, I think, just up the road, and speak to the staff at barbecues galore. They may have a good a good deal on barbecues and gas bombs. Make sure that you ask about a good gas bomb too for your barbecue. And make sure that you purchase a barbecue on wheels so that you can wheel it in to the garage if it's raining. If you are planning a barbecue, make sure that you have enough ingredients for everybody, such as bread rolls, sausages, rissoles, chicken, you name it, and enough nibbles and drinks for everybody. Make sure that you write a list before you go shopping, and make sure that you have enough money to buy everything, and consider people's diets as well before you go shopping for your barbecue, because some people cannot eat nuts. Some people cannot eat bread with seeds in it. So, guys, be aware of people's dietary requirements, and some people cannot eat dairy food or spicy food or some breads or and etc. Consider the weather conditions if you are having a barbecue. If it's raining, you may have to wheel your barbecue inside the garage and cook your food on that. After the barbecue, clean your barbecue well and put the lid and a cover on it. A barbecue is fun, but it can be deadly as well, and keep an eye on the children as well, and don't let them play around with the barbecue. If you know that your barbecue isn't in good condition, don't use it. Because if you try to light your barbecue and your gas bottle is leaking, you know what will happen? Bang! Your barbecue can explode. I said this at the beginning of the video. Don't go and buy a crappy barbecue and a crappy gas bottle. You need to have a good barbecue and a gas bottle so that you can have a good barbecue for the summer months. And a barbecue is ideal for a farewell, a thank you, a birthday, congratulations, you name it. If you're having a barbecue, guys, sit down with the family and ask them what they would like to eat, whether it's chicken, sausages, uh, rissoles, chicken drumsticks, you name it. Before I head off for the break for breakfast, again, consider the weather conditions and a total fire ban as well. Listen to the radio and television reports, and do not light your barbecue. If there is a total fire ban on hot days, you need to consider the weather conditions and total fire bans. Well, it's coming up to 10 minutes to 7 o'clock. I will be back just before 8 o'clock to give you a another update on barbecue safety. And it's time now for breakfast, so I'm off to have some breakfast. Now you take care, and I will see you after breakfast. This is Barry Fair. The time is nearly 10 minutes to 7 o'clock. I'm Barry Fair. It's Monday, the 25th of November. Thanks for joining me.